हाय फ्रेंड्स, सो टुडे वी आर इन आईआईटी रोपड़ कैंपस और मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है अभी इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट में डिवाइस एंड सेंसर्स फैब्रिकेशन लैब में आने की. एंड यू नो वेरी गुड पॉइंट इज लाइक आई गॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटरेक्ट विद सम यंगस्टर्स हियर. दे आर फ्रॉम एमटेक, दे आर फ्रॉम पीएचडी एंड दे आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स. तो बात करते हैं इन सब लोगों के साथ, इनके रिसर्च एरिया को जानेंगे. Many of you would like to do work in the area in which these people are already working. So friends, try to listen carefully what they say, and we will be discussing couple of things here. Yeah, so I start with you. What's your good name?
Charan Deya, sir.
Charan, I would like to know from you which part of India you are from, and what are you doing in this lab? You are doing MTech or PhD, and what is the research area?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, sir. Right now I am doing my MTech in VLSI. I completed my first year in MTech, and right now I am doing research and exploring during about neuromorphic technology. Today, we know that during these days the AI technology is booming. For that, we require less power devices to get the technology more boom.
Yeah. So you know this there is a one conference which YourPedia is sponsoring, and that is International Symposium on VLSI design and testing. And there is a VLSI design semiconductor technology for next generation chips and AI application. That is what actually this conference is all about. Why I mentioned this is like you're also sounding similar. I mean, what I are talking. So do you find some kind of this use of emerging technologies like AI and all these things in VLSI, which already is very promising field?
Yes, sir. I agree with that, because VLSI is like a low power devices, making a low power devices. So AI technology requires a low power devices. For that, the VLSI helps to get more emerging in the topic.
Okay, wonderful. So how's the summers in Punjab? You are all the way from Andhra.
It was very hot, definitely I can say.
Okay.
Because we weren't able to sleep also in the night.
Okay.
Because of that.
Okay. So you find temperature very harsh in couple of months.
Yes,
here in Punjab.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, enjoy the harsh weather also.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, over to you. What's your good name?
Sahil, sir.
Sahil, बताओ अपने बारे में. Which part of India and which course you are here in?
So I'm from Himachal.
Okay.
Yes, so and I am pursuing PhD. I just joined here just 1 week ago, and I am from starting fascinated by fabrication part. So that's why I joined the lab, and that's it, sir.
Okay, so 1 month हुआ है आपको.
Yes.
So you joined it after MTech or after BTech?
MTech, sir.
Okay, but we have direct PhD also in IIT Ropar, right?
Yes.
So you did your MTech and then MTech
yes,
किसमें किया आपने?
MTech VLSI design.
Okay.
NIT Hamirpur.
Okay, so you have completed that.
Yes.
So VLSI design में is there any specific area or it is VLSI design only in which you have worked?
MTech. VLSI design, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
तो इस लैब में दो it is too early for me to ask you, but still इस लैब के अंदर VLSI design में you have in 1 month understood कि किस एरिया में काम होता है in design?
Just 1 week, sir.
अच्छा 1 week हुआ आपको भी.
So
चलो I'll wish you all the very best for your stay. हिमाचल के हैं तो मेरे को लगता है हर weekend पे घर तो नहीं जाते?
नहीं sir.
So it's okay. It's very close. Okay. Over to you. What's your good name, friend?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Pradyut Shukla.
हाँ.
I'm from UP.
Okay.
So I did my BTech in electronics engineering
Okay.
in Kanpur. Then after I have completed my MTech in VLSI design in NIT Jalandhar.
Okay.
Right now I'm pursuing PhD under supervision of Dr. Vijay sir.
Okay.
In electrical department.
Okay.
Basically my focus research area is soil health monitoring system. So I'm targeting the in the soil is NPK.
Okay.
And pH and soil moisture. Basically these things are increase the soil crop productivity. So we are focusing on these things to improve the small farmer. We can scale the productivity of the crops and all those things.
So how you can relate that with VLSI?
Okay, basically we are fabricating nano scale devices,
right,
or sensors, or right now we are synthesis of 2D material molybdenum disulfide MOS2 through CVD. So this kind of sensing material we are growing and deposited through CVD, and lithography we are using for the our making electrodes in
Fabrication.
nanoscales.
Okay, okay, okay. So basically, you are making the sensors which
Sensor,
can
yeah.
detect that. Okay, okay.
शुक्ला जी ये सारा तामझाम आप ही क्या पीछे ये सॉयल जो लग रहा है
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि मैं बड़ी देर से सोच रहा था कि यार VLSI की लैब है ये केमिस्ट्री टाइप लग रहा है तो ये क्या सॉयल वगैरह इकट्ठी कर रखी है आपने
soil, sir.
कहाँ से लाए हैं इसको
सर अभी ये बेसिकली पंजाब की
पंजाब की सॉयल है तो आप ये सारा जलंधर में आपने एमटेक किया पीएचडी पंजाब में कर रहे हैं तो उत्तर प्रदेश को भी देंगे कुछ आप मतलब रिसर्च ओके वंडरफुल तो कैसा चल रहा है आपका यहाँ पे हाउ यूर फाइन चलो वंडरफुल आपने पीएचडी ज्वाइन किया ना
Yes.
कितना टाइम हुआ
सर मेरे को 3 ईयर कंप्लीट होने वाले हैं
चलो वंडरफुल सो पीएचडी इज अ डिफिकल्ट जर्नी शुक्ला जी सो
No,
बट
sir.
हाँ यू आर फाइंडिंग इट गुड वंडरफुल सो चलो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर रिसर्च यस
First of all, thank you, YourPedia, for this wonderful opportunity. So,
जिस कम आवाज से आप बोल रहे हैं ना थैंक्स लग नहीं रहा थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए
yes, so like I've come a long way. Like I used to watch Vijayender's videos over YouTube, like how he mentored a lot of students to get into MTech in IITs. Phrase that is on every video of YourPedia is how to get into MIT, like MTech into IIT with low gate score. So I have watched his videos and myself, Bhanu Pratap Singh. I am natively from Rajasthan and I am here in MTech VLSI. So I have just completed my first year and I am into second year of MTech. So coming to the research part, I have just started. So we are just exploring what are the fields, and as my mentor, Dr. Brijesh Rawat is into device. So most probably I'll be working in device side. So yeah, that was a brief.
सो भानु आप राजस्थान में कहाँ से हैं
I'm from Bikaner.
ओह सो हाउ डू यू गो बैक टू बीकानेर व्हाट आर द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वे आई मीन यहाँ से पंजाब से
There are basically two transportations by roadways.
Okay.
That is the most prominent one, and the second one is through railways.
तो कितने घंटे लग जाते हैं बाई रोड इफ यू हैव टू गो
By road, I prefer by road, so it took most probably 14 to 15 hours if you are going. in
ओके
Volvo.
ओवरनाइट जर्नी
Yeah,
ओके एंड बाई ट्रेन ऑल्सो डायरेक्ट ट्रेन इज
I
देयर
have not gone.
by train you are not gone
Yeah.
okay so how you are finding this place
Amazing.
okay you're enjoying it huh?
Yeah.
hostel which hostel you are staying
I'm in Satluj hostel. So
Okay.
basically there are 4 hostels: Satluj, Brahmaputra, Chenab, and one is
Okay.
more is there for
okay
boys.
okay wonderful okay so now I think we go to next what's your good name
Hi, I'm Tanya
yeah
and I'm first year PhD scholar here and I'm originally from Haryana.
Okay.
So my work is in collaboration between 2 departments, Biomedical Engineering and Electrical Engineering department. So currently we are like working on designing a sensor, electrochemical biosensor to detect pancreatitis. So it's a disease which happens due to the small stones in the gallbladder. So we are trying to make a sensor which is enzyme based so that we can detect it in early stages.
So you are making a sensor which is
Yeah.
detecting the disease early
Yes,
basis.
pancreatic
So what is
diseases.
your education background?
So I'm from I did my bachelor's and master's both in biotechnology.
Right. So after you are doing the PhD here.
Yes.
Okay, right.
And along with this, I'm online educator as well. I teach biology and I have 18,000 plus subscribers on YouTube.
oh 18,000
Yeah.
when did you start it
I started from when I was in master's first year. So
Okay.
I teach whatever I learn. So I share my notes, lectures. There are
Oh.
around 550 plus lectures.
तो किसके लिए बेनिफिशियल है आपका यूट्यूब
For
चैनल
the students who are preparing for the NET, GATE
Oh.
and other competitive exams.
ओके स्पेशली रिलेटेड टू बायो रिलेटेड
Yeah,
डोमेन्स
yeah.
तो आप उनमें उनको बताती हैं रिसर्च एरिया क्या कर सकते हैं चूज वो आगे व्हाट दे कैन डू
Yeah, I share whatever I learn.
okay and what is the frequency of your uploading such good content
2 videos per week.
per week huh?
But earlier when I was in masters, I used to upload 4-5 videos daily.
wonderful what is the name you said
Biology with Tanya.
biology with Tanya
Yeah.
okay I'll see the Tanya and try to see right I'll send you this clip you can upload that clip on your channel also and I'll share your YouTube channel's link in my this video also right Tanya wonderful talking to you okay next to you what's your good name
Myself Venika.
Venika
Yes.
okay Venika your background I would like to know
Sir, I did my BTech in biotechnology from IIT Jalandhar, and right now I am doing a masters in biomedical department. And I did My currently project is in collaboration with the electrical department also.
Okay.
So
आपने बीटेक किया है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में,
Yes, sir.
और उसके बाद यू हैव जॉइंड एमटेक
in biomedical department.
बायोमेडिकल डिवाइसेस. ओके,
Engineering.
बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग.
Yes.
ओके, सो यू आर सेकंड ईयर ऑफ मास्टर्स.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो यू हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग योर प्रोजेक्ट आल्सो.
Yes, sir.
एनी आइडिया इफ यू कैन गिव प्रोजेक्ट
So
किस में कर रहे हैं
actually
आप?
we are exploring the microfluidic channels along with the electrochemical sensors to detect the analytes which are present in the sweat.
Okay, and future what is your ambition, what is your objective? Still not clear?
No, sir.
Whether corporate or academics, that is not clear, right?
Yes, sir.
तो आप which part of India you are from?
I am from Punjab.
You are from Punjab only. So this is your like Jalandhar and then Ropar. So why you did not think of going
जाती
ज़्यादा?
थी, अब नहीं जाती.
चलिए, good. That's very good.
Yes,
Nice talking to you. Yeah, over to you.
So,
Yeah.
hello, I am Rahul. So, my academic background is I completed my master's and graduation from University of Delhi. So, here I am pursuing PhD and I'm in final year of PhD. So, here what I do now, I work on gas sensors nearly to develop near room temperature gas sensors. So, many were unaware about the research in sensors. So sensors have a lot of scope in research, like to optimize their parameters, reducing cost. So basically, we work on reducing cost and optimize their performance. So in gas sensors, we generally work on materials. Our research is also related to material and little part of chemistry. So many electrical background person think that it is very tough for us to work in chemistry, but our work is generally to grow material, or we collaborate to develop synthesize or develop material, and we follow the chemistry persons are papers of that. So it is not tough to grow the material, because we do not work on the novelty of material, we work on the application of material in gas sensing to enhance their performance. So here in our lab we have a lot of facility. Here when we joined, I joined with Dr. Vijayender. So here we started fabrication and we set up the lab here. So we started purchasing the things and then developed the lab and growth of the material. We have CVD, sputtering in CRF we have, and we have printing system you can see there, and that is for printing the electrodes. So our lab is generally equipped with all the basic requirement we need to develop the sensor.
So when you saying printing, it is 3D printing you are
Yeah,
talking
3D
about?
printing.
Okay.
Yeah.
ये 3D printing setup ही है, right?
Yeah.
तो इसमें क्या करते हैं आप?
इसमें generally we purchase metal inks.
Okay.
Mainly graphene, carbon
Okay.
or silver.
Okay.
So using that ink, we print the electrodes on
Okay.
the silicon oxide wafer.
Okay.
So
And that electrode is used in?
electrode is used in sensing purpose.
Okay.
For developing sensor, we need electrodes.
Okay.
So above that or
Okay.
below that there is a sensing material.
So Rahul, your BTech, MTech
No,
is
MSc, BSc.
MSc, BSc and
Yeah,
MSc
from the university.
दिल्ली. So BSc आपका किस डोमेन में था? मतलब is there
Electronics.
electronics, BSc in electronics and MSc in?
Electronics.
And now you are working with even chemistry people.
No,
हाँ.
no, we are working independently, but whenever we require some
Help, हाँ. तो collaboration करते हैं आप.
then collaboration, and I have friends also.
Okay.
So it's everyone help without any.
तो how much knowledge of chemistry is required for that?
I don't think so. If you have read in chemistry in 12th,
हाँ, तो उससे चल जाएगा. हाँ.
you just need to how to grow material, and there are many people have worked on the growth of material, and you follow that. So only that's it.
So राहुल, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से पंजाब यहाँ तक आना.
So I am shifting from east to west, from Azamgarh to Delhi, then from Delhi to
तो
Punjab.
आस्ते आस्ते चल रहे हैं. And what is the next?
Next is Europe.
Okay, good. चलो, nice talking to you, and it was wonderfully explained.
Okay.
Thank you. Over to you.
So I am Manishankar Yadav. I am from Azamgarh, which is situated to east part of the UP.
Okay.
So 4 to 5 years back, I joined this lab, and with Professor Vijay Rawat sir, I got opportunities to work with him. So initially it was very tough for me because my area was like little different. We want to work like differently, not conventional. I did masters in VLSI, but this was like memristors, that is different from our conventional MOSFET, which is like 3-terminal device. So that is charge based, but we wanted to work with memristor, which is a 2-terminal, and depends on the resistance of that oxide material.
So how it will be better with from the MOSFET?
So this is the first of all, you need only 2-terminal, and
Right.
that is stacked one, that is scalable and stackable also. So area wise this is, and speed also matters. This is a very very thin stack of that oxide layer. You need to like metal oxide which is compatible to CMOS fabrication process. So it is like in terms of area and power and
Power consumption. It
power
will be
consumption
better.
also.
Right.
So this is the era of like IoT or data intensive era. Like we need a cloud computing, so we have to lot of computation over there. So we want to minimize those data intensive computation in terms of power as well as latency, which is called
Right.
the like switching time.
Right.
So that switching time can be minimized through this like novel device memristor, because this is at the same place, it's doing storage as well as computing. So we can do like edge computing, like your mobile device or any other kind of like autonomous vehicle, other things. You can do the computation at the edge where the application is needed.
Right.
So that is the area. So I initially it was tough for me, but after over the period of time, I enjoyed and I like worked like these at a device to system level. So this is actually what this part is, the crossbar. We said like crossbar, our like logic or our data is stored in crossbar, and we apply the inputs here that transfer to this output. And this is the one application of like neuromorphic computing, like brain inspired computing, which is more efficient than the conventional computing system, like Lohi that made by Intel, and different brain scale. So these are the already existing like system which object detection and other applications like video streaming, something. They are more energy consuming. They are like third generation also, like SNN, spiking neural network, but they are made of like conventional CMOS based. So area wise also it's a huge area consumption and power consumption. But if you'll go to the like memristive devices, it's very like area efficient as well as energy efficient in terms of like latency also, because you minimizes like Van Neumann architecture you have heard, I think. So that is you have to many times go to the your storage unit like memory and go to the processing unit, but here at the same place located, so efficiently you can minimize.
That part will be located at the
It's
same place.
So that is the in-memory computing actually. So I am like submitting my thesis within 1 month. So
लग रहा है
also
लग रहा है
and I also
जिस
got
तरीके
the
से आपने बताया है, लग रहा है सबमिशन करने वाला है. इनफैक्ट जो आपने बताया अगर उसको मैं लिख दूं तो सबमिशन हो जाएगा, थीसिस ही बन जाएगा पूरे का पूरा. सो सीइंग योर पैशन, आई एम वेरी श्योर यू हैव डन वंडरफुल वर्क. So thanks a lot for your time. And friends, this was interaction with the very interesting research scholars of IIT Ropar. ये recording से पहले और भी अच्छी बातें कर रहे थे सब लोग, and life looks like is really good for all of them here. और lab के अंदर my personal experience is the best time you spend in your life. उस time पे जरूर लगता है कि I'm putting effort and all, but that is the best time of the life. I mean, research scholar enjoys more than the professor. That is what I strongly believe. So this was a brief interaction with all of them. और आपने इनको सुना, and these were the research areas in which they are working. So thanks a lot friends for your time. Thank you.